So there are a couple things. I love that the M&A was embedded in the industry group. So once a deal came in, the technical work didn't get outsourced to another team. Two, I like that they're generally strong across the board. So you get to work on a lot of products as an associate. And that was also true in my experience in my 2 years. I worked on restructuring, I worked on IPOs, I worked on follow-ons, bond issuances, M&A from buy side, sell side, and then from buy side, both from a strategic and sponsor perspective, and just being able to see the wide range of things out there. And then thirdly, I was very impressed by their recruiting process, how seamlessly it was done, how they have a team and everyone has a job and how everyone executes. It's very on point. They don't miss any appointments. They know as much about you as you know about them. And that was an indication to me that, okay, like it's not just all brand name. There's the substance that warrants the brand name. And that's somewhere where I want to work.